আমচাইনি MLA MDC থাঙ্গै কক সাইমা ওলব বদ্রালিয়া অম্পি সান্তাংনি লুকুরক ত্রিপ্রালেন্ড সাनै যত ত্রিপ্রাসানি হামক্রাইনি বাগै ভোট বয়কট খাই মানিয়া ফানো 41 নম্বর অম্পি কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি ni সান্তাং আমচাইও লোকসভা ভোট বয়কট খাইলাইকা যতই খরকসা রাজনীতি হাই খাদজাক লুকুরক বরনি কামিনি লামা সিমি সাनै তিনি সালকা ত্রিপুরাनि লোকসভা চংবারিও সন্তাং পোলিং স্টেশন বুক জানুগৈ থাङै নাইখা আমচাই লুকুরই কক সাইখা MDC সদাগর কলয় কামিনি লুকুরংनो थुमै बरनि जोंजाल सोङै नायफ्रु कामिनि लामा बाय तै ताइ जों फेरां करिनि बागैनो अ बुट बयकट नै खोनावै MDC सदागर कलय शाखा अ सन्तां लामा बेबागनो सेंसन नंजाक फियाबा लोकसभा भोटनि साल साख्लायजाकमानि उल मडेल कोड अफ कन्डाक्टनि बागैयो डेभलपमेन्ट सामुं मथाकजागै थाङो हनै ताबुक भोटनि सामुं पाइखेनो अ सामुं जेंजाक फिरनाय हनै फियाबा अमाहाय तंहालग लुकुचं रायजानो कासुमाबाय बाक्सानो कलाइखा बोद्रिया तंमानि बागै किसा बरकनि बागै अमाहाय पातिमुंनि उकलग TPF मथानि वानसुमुं आरो सामुं ताङै तंमाहाय हनै सालाय तंबायखा आमसाइनि नगजाक सिजाक लुकुरक
एक्चुअली आं महायनो खोनाका प्राय थांनाय 15 days नि सिगांनि सिमिनो न्यूज रगो भाइरल का सन्तांनि जेटा डेभलपमेन्टनि बिषयनो तै बर भोट बयकट ताकले खालाय दंमाने आं ताक बाय 3-4 बार फाइका फाइबर बाय सालायका एन्ड बरना एसुरेन्स आज जरानि सिमिन दै फाइजाक अलरेडी वो लामा सेंसन नंजाक बाट इलेक्शन नि कोड अफ कन्डाक्टनि कारनबो सुरु खाइ मालिया गोबां मा सेंसन नंजाक इभेन आनि MDC फानि सामुबो स्टप नंजाक ताबो इलेक्शन नि कोड अफ कन्डाक्टनि कारन एगे तिनी ADM बो फाइका लगे एक्जिक्यूटिव इंजिनियर दङ BDO दङ नाना धरনের अफिसार्स एके जों पाब्लिक रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ सिगां खरसा MDC दङ सिन MLA बो फाइ दङ एन्ड अबनो तै न बरक बाय सालायका अलरेडी बरनो कपि बो फुंजाक सेंसन कपि एन्ड काइसा एसुरेन्स बो रिखा बरनो फाइपनो अरनि बरक नायो जे लामा याकसाक बर भोट या नै बाट अब तो डेमोक्रेसीनि काइसा को ए बिरुदें दं के बन बगैना आंचा साखलाय दं बर बायता बिसा हमके कक सालाय दे मानो
ओंके ताबुक बरक फुनिसिम बरक ताकसे जरा बर रियाखो
भोट रियाखो
ओंके ताबुक बरक रिया दे तंना ओंके हाइकन बाइक न आबो
अब तब आं बर बाय सालायनाय अर गोबां बरक अरनि बरकनि जे रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ रक दङ बर बाय सालायाखै ओइ बरक ब जागा ब परजे थानाय बर बाय ताबो सालायम बिसिं आबो जों साइमा नाय जे बरक कामखे
What is your name?
My name is Moses Kaipeng.
Moses Kampeng. So today, what did today?
Today is election day.
Election day. And why the people of Sontang, we did not see even a single person in the vote center. What is the main reasons and what is the main issue that you are having in the village people? So can you tell me?
The reason is we don't have proper electricity, proper road, and water. Many etc. thing is there. Main is our road condition is very bad. So now summer season, it will rain. So for the students and as well as for to go market, difficult. Road
So
is not good.
to whom you are demanding all the facility that your people are not there today, and for whom you are demanding, you tell me.
We demand the government.
Did you submit
road.
any
Yeah.
demand?
Yeah, we have submitted so many documents.
So today, any official persons came and visit here, like party leaders,
Yes,
like
so many
MLA?
they came, yeah.
This morning.
Yeah, this
So
morning.
what did they say?
What they will say? Many things they said.
Means did they assure you that they will give?
Yeah, they said they will give, but we don't know. There is just words.
So in case if the government is not providing your facility, what you demand, so what step will you take in the future?
Same thing we will repeat like that. If we don't get any facilities, next year same it will be like that. Okay, thank you.
Okay then. Narming ibsa narming.
Oi tuba.
Narming.
Ora fet.
Narming.
Kom dari.
Narming. Abuni jaginaro abuni hina lukro lo amagau.
आज हम लोग वोट इलेक्शन है
Abuni jaginaro ma turo lo amagau hina kan hong nong iman demand.
dimana sangta kan ko जब इलेक्शन जंग बोरंग कैनरा लमखम side basara sangka tunja kata lam kham thik thak rang kani sim pek mai anso bridge kham ekdam ai kacharu ten pek ai katbarta ai kani ta kansong kan demand te lam kham ideng kani sim pek mai anso ai asang nok ta jab election hong klebo kani rang ai boot kani pero anso
Sir, actually, from morning, so we all know that from before, every news we have given. So in that case, we have lots of problem about this boot corruption. So actually, why we corrupt this boot? Mainly, we are suffering from
government amenities.
yes, government
Road,
amenities.
road and water like this.
Road plus electric and water also, and plus many peoples we are very poor from poor family. We have no any arwar, we have no any ration card, but we build a family as a member, but till today we do not get some all these things, even birth certificate also, ST also. So we have many problem in our village.
So you are in deprivation
Yes, sir.
for government amenities.
Yes, sir.
Do you have water management?
No, sir. We have no any water emanation. So even today also you can see how is our road, how is our village, and how is the development. By seeing all these things you can know.
So now what is your main demand?
Our main demand is to construct the road, proper electricity we need, and water supply we need in our village, and for development also.
So have you approached any governments or any SDM
Yes.
for this?
Yes, this is several times. About already it crossed 30, 35, 45 years ago. So that is why now we young people also, we came to know, we have some educated, we learn from different people. So all these things, we want to solve our problem. Main is.
Listen, brother, Naiton Lal JB School Booth Center.
Yes, sir.
How many voters are there?
Maximum about 700 above.
So nobody came to booth.
No, sir. Why? Because boot is corruption. We corrupt the boot. We will not give till
Your demand is fulfilled.
our demand is fulfilled. Plus, we will stay and sit till the end of our
That
demand.
means you want to say until your demand not fulfilled,
Yes, sir.
you will stay same like this condition
Yes, sir.
in future also.
No, sir. There in future we cannot say if the government fulfill our demand, then it's okay. That is not our problem. Government also he should take care for us since we have we are also one kind of a person, a human being. We know what is our right and what is our wrong.
So any concerned authority came to interact you here over this
No,
issue?
sir. No, sir.
Nobody came.
No, no, sir.
Any political leader visited you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Then you demand road maintenance, water project management, electricity.
Yes, sir.
Electricity is having but don't have proper management.
Yes, but it is not proper. Now here, if we see, it is not reaching till the all the whole the village.
Then what
So
about,
you can come and see
Okay,
how is
okay.
the pillar and how is the wire.
what about school management?
School management, we cannot say anything, sir.
Teachers are coming.
What to say? If the government did not fulfill, then we people cannot do anything.
Teachers are coming to teach your children here.
Yes, that is they are coming. Yes, sir.
And how many are there? Tell.
Our main demand is, sir, we need a proper road
Road,
and water
water management,
and electricity. sir.
electricity management.
Yes, and plus many things we have to say, but firstly this we should fulfill. Next it will come this.
So whatever I understood that you have been in deprivation for
Yes,
last
sir.
many years.
Yes, sir.
The government and political leaders they have neglected you.
Yes, sir.
So nowadays all the people are unitedly they have taken determination not to vote.
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Okay, thank you.
Narming real narming.
Lo para ba?
Nong tang
Nara put taman bagi dia.
laman bagai
Tai tam menang nong ni.
tam nang ba lama madango
Tu datang.
tei benango tei thong phan tal sakaya
Chung khana mani kai se phana phaya bala put ina bagai.
oh phayano phai galak laman bagai
Kita bok lama bai tu sana nara.
karen bo somoy teng ya
Karen lain
aba batai ongkai tei thangka
karen.
tei boy kolmano tal sakaya tei phaya no tongka
Lama le biang pasing besi hamia.
polko bai suntang kisen hau ayang serdu kisen hau le
Kisno hau tu narok tanggo.
ayang somoy bayar thangta ayang bisir bak thango sob somoy
Kai election bo tai bo faina bisa kang bo election tongo narok bud ria uja tong nai tama.
butuh jai tong nai lama man jasa buti gelak lama man kai buti nai
Hena sorkar ngai ai o ai ngai SDM video ngai ni man hong son puita malam rin.
anhong bur nai nun hong ta
Di mente.
iya kai ni pero but alam siam kan ti im nan yong drip peken ande tak
Anso pemai.
pemai an cuma but kan peu kale fu man am kai ni rakai man patta nam kai
Atun te pem ko na election tu. Ani ngai pemai so. Ma lam ni pemai so jagin macang
ay an pe magjak kai ni hom but penen kan lama magjak but penen jag pau
Oh.
jag